Hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to auto-assign a role to new members on Discord using a bot. Click on your server name at the top left to open the server menu. A drop-down menu appears with several server management options. Select App Directory from the menu to open the Discord app library. The App Directory page loads showing featured apps and a search bar at the top. Click into the search bar at the top of the page. Type AutoRollBot and click on the AutoRollBot result that appears in the search results. The bot page opens showing its description and features. Click the Add App button in the top right of the bot page to begin installing it. Click the server dropdown in the Add App window that opens. A list of your servers appears where you have permission to add bots. Select the server you want to add the bot to from the list. Click the Authorize button at the bottom of the permissions screen to continue. This grants the bot the permissions it needs to manage roles. Check the I am human checkbox in the CAPTCHA window that appears. Wait for the CAPTCHA to verify, then click Authorize again on the permission screen. The bot begins installing to your server. Once the success message appears, click the button to return to your server. You'll be taken back to your server channel view with the bot now installed and ready to use. In the message box at the bottom, type /auto to bring up the bot commands. A list of available auto roll commands appears above the message box. Click on the auto roll's age add command from the list that appears. The command populates in your message box with fields to fill. Click on the @AutoRollBot option that appears to mention the bot in the command. Press Enter to send the command, and an error message will appear if you need premium features. This shows whether you need to upgrade to use certain role automation options. The free version of AutoRollBot has limitations. If you see an error about premium features, you'll need to upgrade or use a different bot like MEE6 or YAGPDB, which offer free auto-roll options. To change or remove an auto-roll later, use the /autorolls command again and select the Remove option. The bot needs to stay in your server for the auto-roll to keep working, so don't remove it from your server list. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.